Welcome to the RCBC Library. Let's go back to our list of search results on Academic Search Premier. Click on an article. There will be a list of the details of the article, the information that you need for the citation included on this page: title, author, subject words, any links to the article's full content. There will be a Tools menu on the right side of the screen. From the Tools menu, you will see an option that says Cite. If you click on it, a box says Citation Format will pop up. This includes a citation format for basic styles, such as APA, MLA, and Chicago for this article. You can copy and paste the citations into your Word document or Google Doc, and there you go! You might need to adjust the formatting, order, or font size and color of your citations. This citation generator is not infallible. If you choose to use it rather than creating your own citations yourself, just remember that if there is an error, you will ultimately be penalized by your professor, and just saying you only copied and pasted it from the Academic Search Premier will not get you off the hook. Look over the citations to be sure they have all the required information. You have to read the content of the article before you can create a citation for the article. Do not credit a source that you have not read. Do not read an abstract of the summary of the article and cite it as one of your sources. If you have not read a full article and include the citation for the article as part of your work cited, you can and will be accused of academic dishonesty. Academic dishonesty is like plagiarism. It means that you're implicitly lying to your professor and whoever reads your paper that you did the research to complete this assignment. Yes, reading something is considered research. If you cannot find the full text of the article you're looking for, you have to find a different article to use as your source. It doesn't matter if the abstract is 3 paragraphs long. Reading the abstract is not equal to reading the article. Please take this seriously. If you need examples or instructions on how to create citations, you can go to the Purdue Online Writing Lab, abbreviated as OWL. You can get to OWL through the library homepage under the section that identifies citing sources, or you can access it via a Google search. Remember, we're always here to help.